Page 9, you have a new note. It is the note E. It's going to incorporate thumb, 1, 2, 3, then 2 fingers of the right hand. With 6 holes having to be covered, the odds of something not getting covered are pretty good. Make sure you've got the holes covered for the note E. Number 13 uses the note E. Page 9, number 13. Count it. 2, ready, go. 1, 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, 3, 4. 1, 3, 4. 1, 3, 1, 2, 3. Very important to make sure you keep your thumb planted back of the recorder. Play number 3. 1, 2, ready, go. Repeat it over until it becomes easy to play.